Alright, so one of you guys suggested more work videos. I'll throw your name up on the screen now. Let's get to a time lapse. What I'm doing is taking these couple wires. You probably can't see them. I'm either going to take them out or cut them and then pull them back to these silver plates. They're going to be for air conditioners, so I'm going to take these out and reroute them over there, drill a couple holes, and then I'm going to move on to doing a light. So here we go. So the sheetrock right below you is a ceiling. And if I fall through, it's gonna be like 40 to 60 feet down because it's a gymnasium. So we really don't want to fall through this and die today, so I'll explain to you guys in a second what I'm doing. Materials here, and I'm on top of the ceiling. That's sheetrock. Don't fall through that. So I need to move my materials to where I need to go. I will be turning on a flashlight here in a second. So there's some problems with the wire, so we're gonna splice it into some junction box and replace the bad parts. Pretty much smashed this wire against the sheetrock and damaged it. As you can see, right there. I'm trying to find it. There's a spot down there. So basically I'm just cutting this all out. I'm trying to walk here without falling down. Just leaning against the wall. There's another wire. So there's the wire with the screw hole through it. I don't know if you can see that. There's a hole right through the middle of it. Where am I supposed to go? Alright, so I found the damaged spot. I'm just going to cut this right here. Of course, my strippers are the worst. Don't tell Cliffy B I said that. Okay, so that's cut. Now I'm just gonna grab it and pull it this direction until I grab it. Alright guys, so the good Lord was looking out for me, got me this nice piece of wood to sit on. Kinda up here, like on the ceiling or whatever. As you can see, I'm sitting up here in the ceiling, in the crack of the ceiling. But I'm gonna be hooking you guys up once I pull this wire out. Alright, so I got my red wire pulled out right here. I'm gonna mount my box right on top of this piece of wood, because that's the only spot there really is. So wire coming in, wire coming out, stapled there, connected, and now we just do the same thing on the other side. I just have to roll out this roll of wire over there and staple it as I go. Alright, so I got the other one done. I ran the wire up there, cut the other wire, put them in together into this box, and it's done. So now onto the other side. There's another 2 boxes I have to do. Actually 3, so other side of the wall over there. Can't really see it.